Good evening, Pickaholic friends. This is a variety called Excel, and I believe it was maybe developed by Ira Condit. I don't remember now. I got this originally from Bruce Park, a rare fruit grower sign exchange. It grew better for us at one time. I'm not sure why it's struggling here, but I see some nice new green growth on leaves here. And I talked about that. We're flood irrigating the orchard a couple of times. That one was a bit overripe, but not sour at all. I'm not even sure I'd say it was overripe. It's just very sweet fig, a dark amber pulp. Syrupy. I see liquid in there. It's very sweet. Honey flavor. Again, this is Excel. Thanks for watching.